if you like me, like saving money, and got in this RV to try to save money and don't want to spend $10 on 4 little capsules of this, watch this video if you want to learn how to spend $1.25. Yeah, $1.25 in your bathroom. Oh my God, you won't even have to worry about these no more. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Shay's Tiny Living. You can call me Shay or you can just call me cousin, because when you come in this channel, we are family, and on this channel you will find everything that has to do with tiny living and saving. Because if you anything like me, I'm very frugal. I love to save a couple dollars. So if that's for you, this is the channel for you, cousin. So as you can see from the title, cousins, I got tired of paying. How many capsules come in this thing? 4 capsules, and this is like $10 for my black tank. So what I did, cousins, watch this video and you gonna see how $1.25 peroxide gonna help keep your black tank smelling good. You know how if you come in the bathroom and you don't have your little stopper in your sink, sometimes you can smell the smell coming through. Well, cousins, this gonna be the video for you. $1.25 will change your bathroom life, cousins. Okay, these are how the capsules look right here. You only get 4 of them for $10. A little expensive, but don't get me wrong, these do work. They work the best out of all of them I have tried. I'm gonna put the other one that I have tried in the top that I did not like, so I'm gonna let you see that one. But anyway, cousin, like I said, it do work, but I'm trying to do something a little bit more cheaper that I can afford, and this peroxide is $1.25, like I keep stressing. So my mom always told me when we had to clean up to put the peroxide by the toilet, let it soak for like 20 minutes and it take up the pee smell. So that what made me try it, and I have tried it for over a week and it worked. So that's why I'm showing it to y'all, cousin. Now I just want to show y'all how simple it is and show you what I'm using. I ain't changed nothing up. You see that? A little goes a long way. That's all you need. Look at them suds. That's how I do when you got a cut on your hand. You know how I get it. That's what I'm talking about. Cousins, look at that. Simple. So cousins, if you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, if you learned anything from this video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And as always, I appreciate all my cousins who keep coming back, all my new cousins. Y'all, I appreciate y'all. So keep watching the channel. Make sure y'all have subscribed. Bye, cousins.